I'm going to show you how to transfer your ChatGPT to Claude, whether it's chats, projects, context, and memory, and all the stuff like that. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up ChatGPT and make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to open up a new chat and write a prompt like this. And I want you to summarize everything on this account: conversations, preferences, projects, context, memory, and also include instructions for Claude. And make sure to generate a file that contains everything to transfer it over to Claude and use it there to maintain the same data, and then send the prompt and wait for it to generate the file for you. And while it's generating, you can open up a new tab and sign into your Claude AI account. Now let's go back to the ChatGPT conversation, and as you can see here, it finished the work and it produced two files, one for the context transfer and one for the instructions. So make sure to download both. So I downloaded the first one and this is the second one. Now you can go back to the Claude window, open up a new chat and click on the plus button and add these files, or you can simply drag them directly here. You grab it and drop it here. It should be attached to the chat. And now you can simply write your prompt directly with these context files attached to the chat conversation. And I send it a test prompt, for example, do you remember what is the last thing I did on ChatGPT? And it wrote the answer correctly. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.